Hello everyone, this is Janice Carter, your Atlanta real estate agent, bringing you another property tour. And today we're in Woodstock, which is north of Atlanta. We're in the Belhaven Townhome community, and I'm going to take you on a tour of their model home. The builder is Stonecrest Homes, and the listing agent is Itanza Johnson with Velocity Real Estate. And for this year, in addition to single-family homes, I want to feature more townhome communities because I know that there are many buyers who are looking for a low-maintenance home, which will allow them to spend more time with friends and family and less time maintaining the exterior of their home, and for that reason, a townhome community is ideal. Now, this floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car front entry garage, and it's approximately 2,590 square feet. The community is conveniently located with easy access to shopping, dining, and within minutes to downtown Roswell. So if you're looking for a low-maintenance 3-bedroom townhome in North Atlanta, you like this floor plan and would like additional information, please send me an email. My contact is below. And now let's go inside and take a look around. For more information about this home or any home for sale in Atlanta, Georgia, give me a call or send me an email. My contact is below. And if you're new to this channel and you'd like to see more Atlanta property tours, take a second now to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. That would be appreciated. This is Janice Carter, your Atlanta real estate agent. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on our next property tour.